Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is chicken satay. Satay is a skewered chicken, and normally we grill it on charcoal, but we have fire ban due to wildfires raging in British Columbia, so we did our chicken satay on gas barbecue. And for the following chicken satay, in Indonesia, we often season and serve it with peanut sauce. So this following chicken satay is with peanut sauce. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. Soak your skewers for at least 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours. So this is 2 cups dry roasted peanuts, unsalted, with 8 candlenuts, no substitutions. Super 1 heaping tablespoon brown sugar, 3 bird-eye chilies, about 4 to 5 garlic, and 1 super large shallots. Pour a little bit of water, like quarter cup to half cup, or third cup, quarter cup to third cup, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. Now we're gonna process it into fine paste. Now we're gonna dump this mixture onto our non-stick pan. Add enough water to make it not too thick, and we're gonna add also salt and adjust the flavoring like sugar, salt. I know some people like to add MSG, but I'm not gonna add MSG. You can add more brown sugar, or you can add sweetened soy sauce, which we call ketchup manis. Now we're gonna bring this to boil, and your peanut sauce is basically ready once it's fully boiled. And you can use this to marinate your chicken, beef, for grilled chicken, grilled beef, grilled lamb, or satay. Slice 3 kilograms chicken breast. One and a half kilogram of it is boneless, skinless. 1.5 of it was with skin and with bone, and we have to debone it, but leave the skin intact, because it's good when you grill satay. It's not dry. It won't dry, and the fat gonna drip to the meat, so your satay won't be dry and hard. And you want to slice it either bite size, cubed, or finger length. It's up to you. Now we're gonna thread this onto our skewers. Now it's ready to be marinated. To marinate, this is 3 tablespoons of our peanut sauce that earlier we made, with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, ketchup manis, and some water. We just mix it, and then we're gonna coat our chicken on skewered chicken to this mixture. Like so, and place it back onto the pile, and we're gonna repeat this step until all chickens are marinated or coated in it. Now the chicken is ready to be grilled. You can add more peanut sauce, the mixture of peanut sauce, water, and sweet soy sauce to coat it more. It's up to you. Or when you grill it halfway, you can coat it again, so it's more tasteful. But also we're gonna serve this with the peanut sauce on the side anyway, so it's up to you if you want to coat it thicker or as is, just fine.